Alright, and this is probably coming back to you now, but reading our treble clef, the 4 spaces, again, always working from the bottom up. F-A-C-E spells face. So if we put a note in the space, it's really hard to write sideways in the space. F A C E. That should be more in the space. You get the idea. Okay, and then there are the 2 outliers in the treble clef. There's this guy that sits right below here, right below the E line, which is D. And of course, remember we're going to be looking at piano music, so it's going to be treble and bass clef in the grand staff. But if you're just looking at the treble clef, D is going to sit here. And then middle C goes there. It's the only one that has its own little line through it. Middle C, D, and we're going to look at bass clef next.